Good day everyone. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna do a grocery haul again. So we just got home guys from Walmart. Kaya palit mig mga kuan guys, groceries. Yun na nga to sad mi sa kaning Asian store. So karon guys, mag-unbox ko sa amo ang mga napalit dito sa syudad. So diri guys, na may plate. You know guys, ang sa ila diri guys kay lahi ang ilaha kay ang mga tao diri sa ilaha guys, ang ilang gamito na plato guys, paper plate. No? Diha sa ato sa Pilipinas guys. Og naay party rata maggamit og paper plate. Pero nga sa ilaha guys, every day they use paper plate. Though naami kanang plato nga kanang plato jud siya guys ba kanang matitipak, pero kini mo ni siya ang daily plates na ilaha normally they use here in the US. So mo ni siya guys, nagpalit mi ani kuan, damo man ni siya guys, pila man siya ka pieces, 100 plates. So and also we have eggs. Nasad may eggs diri guys, derang eggs nila guys. And then we're gonna do more unboxing. So guess what guys, nangadto mi sa Filipino Asian store and I got me some, guess what I got? I got me some fish. Oh my gosh, oh my goodness, I got me some fish guys. It's either I'm gonna fry this one or I'm gonna himuunin akong pinugunan guys nga damuog kanang damuog tomato and onions og ahos. Lami kani siya guys. So kuan siya guys, 1 2 3 4 5. Ang presyo sa ani niya guys, makabuslot og bulsa. Grabe, pero worth it ra. So dili ta mag-convert karon sa price kay worth it ra ni siya, okay? So moving on, natay muna tong isda. Muna nga to ang pamahaw panihapon siguro guys. So I got me a black paper. So I got me another black paper because ang black paper na ko napalit last 2 months ago I think is nahurot na guys. So napalit ko otro, and I have me sardines. Kaya nga ko ang mga sardines guys, nahurot na gid siya guys. Kaya nga ako permigiluto kay ang sardines. Kay I don't know, few days nag-crave gid ko og sardines, nabutang ag itlog, nibutang ag damong onions og tomato. So ligo ang brand ana sa kuan guys, kani siya sardines. Dark lagi ko tanaw no, kay dark man jud ko. Plus basin siguro ang lotion sa ako agi gigamit guys is make that ang ako ang skin is like, you know guys, kanang dark. Ang ako ang lotion, I mean ako agi ginamit is for tan skin, to make your skin even more tanned. So I think that's why my skin looks like, you know, morena still even I'm here in the US. So anyway guys, moving on. So diri na atay another century tuna. I only get me 2 of this one because I think I still have some another century tuna out there in my cabinet, so I just only get 2. So and also naasad ko diri ay time snacks guys, para sa magkita mig Netflix no, kay kami every night we watch Netflix with my husband jud every night. That's our routine, and sometimes get crave ko og mga parat guys. Unya nahurot man ako ang mga parat diri guys. So daw naa pa ko kanang chicharon dira guys, pero gusto ko ganang something cheesy nga ako i-pair sa ako Canada Dry, the drinks that I've guys show you already. If you guys haven't watched that one yet, you better check that out in my Facebook because I posted that one few days ago. So guys, here we go. I got another cheese rings. I've been craving for this one for how many days, and finally I got my cheese rings. Super lami kani siya nako guys. Lami ni siya iparisan sa ako drinks. So I got 3 cheese rings guys. Nya diri guys, nangita ko og sa Philippine, by the way, sa Filipino Asian store ni namo na palitanan guys, but nangita ako og kanang bitsin gani guys, pero grabe la bitsin guys, kay dako kayo guys. So mo to, I got no choice, I had no choice but to get this a bigger one. So mo to guys, na ko'y dako nga Ajinomoto bitsin. But I tried to find the Magic Sarap guys, but they don't have it there. I don't know why. I think it's banned, but I don't know for sure. But the only thing that they have it there is the Ajinomoto and Ginisa mix. But though I still have my Ginisa mix there, so I didn't get it. So I didn't get one. So this one Ajinomoto, I think this is good for 1 year guys, because you know dili ko ani permi maggamit guys kay kanang ingon sila too much is not good. So sometimes I'm gonna use this one for my cooking. And yeah, this is big. This is like 400 grams, so this is a lot. So anyway, moving on. Diri na ami table napkins. Kini siya para ibutang nga sa amua table kay kana magbasa imo kamot kini ra mo itrapo niya maglimpyo ko sa kuan kana man ako gamiton. So bali 6 nito siya kabuok guys. So okay, another one. We bought some quart freezer slider bags. So whenever we bought some chickens or meat or pork or whatsoever, or fish that nakuha na giabrihan sa kaning mga inani guys, I need to put it in a Ziploc. So every time I'm gonna do something like kanang abrihan ako ang mga chicken guys, or ako ana siya daan i-pack. So mo ni siya nga ako ang gamiton guys. Ziploc ni siya guys. So mo ni siya guys. So and then since we love fruits, so me and my husband, we got strawberry. We love strawberry so much, so we got this strawberry. This one, strawberries. Let me finish siya guys, the strawberries. And then we also have here a blueberries. So kani siya guys, kanang amo ni siya kaunong guys, amo ni siya butangan og kanang tahin unya whipped cream in the top. Lami kay siya guys, murag ang ihagay lasa guys is mixed, but it's so good. We love it and we enjoy eating fruits. So mo ni siya guys, we got blueberries and we got strawberries. So okay, and lastly I have Land O'Lakes. Kuha ni siya guys, butter. So every time I'm cooking every morning, mo ni siya nga ko ang routine guys. I'm gonna cook every morning for us. And also sometimes I do use oil, but I'm way more on the butter. So every morning I'm gonna use this one to saute things, the foods in my foods. And when I'm cooking bacon, this is what I use, the Land O'Lake na brand sa butter guys. Hindi siya guys. So in one pack you got 4 stick here inside sa na butter. So kuha siya guys, but salted ni siya nga butter. Nasa sila sweet, but we choose the butter salted this one, the butter. So Marito guys, I hope you guys enjoy watching me doing my grocery haul, and thank you guys for watching. So my gosh, we are 20k already. So that followers, I got 20k followers already, and thank you guys so much. Thank you jud kaayo ninyo sa tanan na nag-follow na ako. Thank you guys, and God bless us all. And that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.